Hello, my name is Marcio Bianchi and I work with cybersecurity and AI. On this channel, I'll break down the risks that actually matter for business owners and operators to implement AI in their environment. Today, what you need to check before you let AI run your business or interact with your data and your customers. I've been building AI assistants to help run my own business and operations. And in this example, I'm talking about a specific process that creates ideation and create content for LinkedIn. So it looks at what's trending, what's trending news, and what's relevant for that week. Something big happening in cybersecurity or AI. It's every day. So I try not to talk about AI every day, but that's what we're doing today. So we do that ideation process, and then it pings me, send me the ideas, what to run, what to talk about. We have some pillars like experience, news, new features, or new things that are relevant in the industry. So they have different pillars there, and according to those pillars, it provides me the ideas. I approve the ideas, then it goes draft, post. I have an editor that goes and score that post according to certain KPIs we've decided. Then I have a look at the final draft of the post, and if it's good enough, it's valuable, if it's going to impact my network, then I go and publish it. And another decision that is part of that process is if we are going to publish only the text, or if you're going to add an image to help understanding some points as well. But how does it actually work, right? So for a process to work today, including AI, to make things more faster, more reliable, so to actually improve your day-to-day, your quality or speed or save money or anything like that, you still need to be involved. AI cannot do 100% of it. So we're talking here about input. So you provide the context and the information for it to work on. Then the AI will assist you in that task or that workflow. And then you, as the human, will still be in the process and approve it. That's how it is. So my process specifically has this process specifically. I'm involved in 3 touch points. And then after you approve it, it's going to go and carry on and do the actions that are planned on the automation. And then if things goes well, you're going to be alerted. It's been published. It's live. If it doesn't go well, it's going to alert you as well on what happened, what went wrong, and what needs your attention. And that leads us to the first principle, that is AI prepares, then you approve it. And then any information or any data that touches money, customer or reputation, you must be part of it. You must review it. And then that leads us to the alerts. So they cannot be noisy alerts. If you receive too many alerts over time, you're going to not pay attention to it, so they're going to be irrelevant. So you need to, as you implement new workflows, you automate new things, you're going to learn what alerts are important, what are not as important, and you then tighten the process a little bit to clear the noise, so you don't get alerted by things that are not relevant. So you need to understand, if the workflow run, of course, and then if the important branch executed, so workflows, they might have different branches. One go do research, the other one goes and create documents, the other goes and send emails and invoices and things like that. So you need to understand if the pathway that workflow took is relevant and consistent. And you need to understand at the end that, let's say you're talking about an invoice or customer follow-up, you need to understand and be sure that follow-up happened and that the customer is happy with the outcome as well. And you need to obviously map out who owns the exception. Might be you, might be someone else on your team, but that needs to be mapped out straight away. And then there's the data access, right? What kind of data is this workflow have access to? Is it one system? Is it multiple systems? How does this or work. So you need to understand where data comes from, where it goes. You need to understand where it's stored as well. Who can approve, send, or change any data, right? Especially, again, if it involves personal identifiable information, customer data, your data, users, access, things like that. And what happens if AI is wrong? So it can happen as well. So some processes are called deterministic. There is yes or no, very clear. And other processes, AI sort of infers what the answer should be, what the number should be, and it can be wrong. So that's why we need what we discussed before, the human in the middle to approve that, to make sure that's correct. So what's the key takeaway to be practical? So we need to pick one messy workflow, pick one. So it can be missed inquiries, customer inquiries, could be quote follow-ups, could be inbox triage, could be customer handoffs or invoice approvals, could be any marketing process you may have. I touched on Google Ads before. So you pick one and then you go and improve it. So what do we do with that one workflow you choose? So you try to identify where is the time lost. So it's something that you repeat very often. Is there a bottleneck somewhere there that there's a lot of friction? Can that friction be removed? Where is money lost, or where is money left on the table? For example, if you missed customer inquiry, you cannot book a new project or something because you missed a call or you missed an email. So that's money on potentially on the table, right? And where could mistakes create more risk? Mistakes from the team or mistakes from the tools themselves? And where should you be involved? Where should you or someone from the team be involved and approve that process? So my takeaway is simple. AI automation is not just about making things faster. They need to be make money or save money or make the output better for you, for the team, or for your customer, right? So better quality of work. If you're experimenting with AI in your own business, do not start by asking what can you automate. Start by asking which workflow is more painful. That is which one it's simple enough to improve, risky enough that we can need clear guardrails. So things that are clear for you, like things that are more clear cut. You can see like before automation how it looks like, and after automation what it could look like. So if that's something you are working on, I have put together a free AI workflow and cyber risk checklist for small business owners and operators. So check on the description below, and I'll pin on the comments as well. And I wish you luck on implementing your AI and automating your workflows. Thank you for watching.